Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Shadowban X. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So there isn't a specific fix for this issue, but there are solutions that you can do to reduce the issue. So the first thing that you need to do is take a break from your X account. Means you have to stay low without tweeting anything in the X app, and you have to lay low for at least about 72 hours to remove the ban. And now the second thing that you can do is just delete any irrelevant tweets that you have done. Just check it. If there is a irrelevant tweets or messages or comments, then simply delete that for future reference. And now the third thing is that don't try to create a new account. Doing this will just increase your issue and your account will be targeted to get permanently banned. Just avoid this. And the last step that you can do is just head over to your profile icon and then tap on settings and support, then tap on help center. And now here all you gotta do is just select a topic, and once you're inside here you'll have an option that says contact our support team. Simply tap on that, and here all you gotta do is just select the option what you want for both of them. And once you're inside here, all you gotta do is just how do you sign up for this account. Select the option and simply tap on submit. Once you do this, the X agent will contact and fix the issue, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.